we're going to explain how to open a text document in Excel. There are several ways to accomplish this, depending on the format of your text file and what you want to do with the data once it's in Excel. 1. The simplest method is to use the standard Open function. In Excel, click on File, then Open. Browse to the location of your text file, select it, and click Open. Excel will attempt to automatically detect the file type and import the data. If your text file uses delimiters like commas or tabs to separate data points, Excel should automatically recognize these and organize the data into columns. 2. However, if the automatic import doesn't work as expected, or if you have a very specific formatting, you might need to use the Text Import Wizard. When you open a text file, Excel might prompt you to use this wizard. If not, you can still access it. 3. To manually use the Text Import Wizard, after selecting your text file in the Open dialog, instead of directly clicking Open, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Open button and select Import. This launches the Text Import Wizard. 4. The first step of the Text Import Wizard lets you choose the file type. Excel typically detects it automatically, but you can double-check here. 5. The second step is crucial for customizing the import process. You need to specify the delimiter separating your data. Common delimiters include commas, CSV files, tabs, semicolons, and spaces. Select the correct delimiter to ensure that your data is separated into columns correctly. You can also preview your data here to verify the settings. 6. The third step allows you to further refine the import settings. You can specify the column data type, text, number, date, etc., and handle potential issues like leading or trailing spaces. You can also choose to change the column data types after the import, which we will explain below. 7. Once you've made your selections, click Finish, and your text file will be imported into an Excel worksheet. 8. After the import, you might need to do some manual cleaning, especially if your text file wasn't perfectly formatted. This could include removing extra spaces, correcting data types, or adjusting column widths. 9. Finally, remember that if the automatic import didn't work and you selected Import, you can always select a different delimiter and repeat the process using the Text Import Wizard until you find the best setup for your text file. 10. Sometimes after importing, you might realize you need to change the data type of a column, for example, to change text to numbers. This is easily done. Select the column, go to the Data tab, and use the Text to Columns option if needed to further refine the data. Therefore, by following these steps, you can easily import your text data into Excel and work